Did you know that 60% of tech professionals spend more than 3 hours per day searching for information and taking notes? NotebookLM, a game-changing AI research tool developed by Google, promises to revolutionize the way we work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to harness the power of NotebookLM and save an average of 2 hours per day. NotebookLM is a powerful tool designed to help researchers, writers, and knowledge workers organize their thoughts, summarize long documents, and generate ideas. Its core feature is the ability to take notes and summarize content in real time, using AI-driven insights and recommendations. In this tutorial, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to use NotebookLM, starting with setting it up. To get started, navigate to the Google Colab website and click on the NotebookLM tab. You'll be prompted to create a new notebook or open an existing one. For this example, let's create a new notebook by clicking on the New Notebook button.